Thank you. Love is like a never-ending melody. Poets have compared it to a symphony conducted by the lighting of the moon. But our song of love is slightly out of tune. Once your kisses raised me to a fever pitch. Now the orchestration doesn't seem so rich. Seems to me you've changed the tune we used to sing. I like the bossa nova, love should swing. We used to harmonize two souls in perfect time. Now the lyrics and the melody don't even rhyme. For you forgot the melody, our hearts would always croon. And so what good's a heart that's slightly out of tune? Tune your heart to mine the way it used to be. Join our hearts in harmony and sing a song of loving. We're bound to be together, and before too long there'll be no decepcionado. When you give your heart to me completely, you won't be slightly out of tune. You'll sing along with me. There'll be no decepcionado. When you give your heart to me completely, you won't be slightly out of tune. You'll sing along.